Numestay AI, welcome to AIGURUJE and Naresh Jha's guided tours. Fast-track your learning, empower your tech prowess. Voiceover, welcome aboard, future AI gurus. As we set out on this exciting journey, let's take a peek into the thrilling world of an AI rockstar. It's a land where passion for technology meets relentless curiosity, where groundbreaking ideas come to life, and where every challenge is an opportunity for innovation. Our day starts with the crack of dawn, as our AI rockstar, fueled by a potent blend of caffeine and an insatiable thirst for knowledge, delves into the latest research, keeping up with the ever-evolving tech landscape. The magic truly starts to happen during brainstorming sessions. Surrounded by a talented team, our AI rockstar dissects complex problems, challenges conventional thinking, and explores uncharted territories in AI. These sessions are a whirlwind of ideas, innovation, and eureka moments that spark the creation of cutting-edge AI solutions. Then comes the coding frenzy, a dance of digits and algorithms where our AI rockstar weaves intricate neural networks, bringing to life machine learning marvels with every line of code. This is where art meets science, where precision and creativity fuse to paint a masterpiece of AI innovation. Of course, every journey has its obstacles. Debugging is the unsung hero of the coding world, a complex puzzle that requires a keen eye and unwavering determination. Our AI rockstar navigates through these challenges, meticulously examining every line of code, every variable, identifying and resolving bugs with surgical precision. But it's not all about solitary work. Collaboration and mentorship play a crucial role in the thriving AI community. Our AI rockstar actively participates in vibrant online forums, sharing their expertise with aspiring developers and fostering a culture of continuous learning and growth. And finally, there's always room for pushing boundaries. Our AI rockstar is a relentless explorer, constantly venturing into unexplored realms of AI, experimenting with novel techniques, and redefining the limits of what's possible. So, as we embark on this journey, remember, each one of you has the potential to be an AI rockstar. Embrace the thrill, the challenges, the innovation, and let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Up next, we'll be traversing the terrain of AI, debunking myths, and setting the stage for you to master the skills needed for an AI-powered career. Stay tuned! Voiceover. Now that we've met our AI rockstar, let's take a moment to look ahead. Imagine the endless opportunities that come with mastering AI skills. Picture yourself at the forefront of technological innovation, developing groundbreaking solutions and transforming industries. As we delve deeper into AI, you'll see that it's not just about coding and algorithms. It's about creativity, problem solving, and the drive to continuously learn and adapt. In this fast-paced, ever-evolving world of technology, staying dedicated and always learning is the key to staying ahead. The future of AI is in your hands. So whether you're coding the next big AI breakthrough, leading a team of talented developers, or sharing your knowledge with the AI community, the possibilities are endless. But remember, the journey to becoming an AI rockstar is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, effort, and a lot of perseverance. So get excited, stay motivated, and let's grasp the future of AI together. Up next, we'll traverse the terrain of artificial intelligence, debunking myths, and setting the stage for you to master the skills needed for an AI-powered career. Stay tuned. Voiceover. Before we dive into exposing the myths of AI, let's take a moment to understand what AI truly is. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a multifaceted field of computer science dedicated to creating smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks range from understanding human speech, recognizing patterns, and making decisions, to perceiving their surroundings and learning from experience. AI is not just about robots, it's about algorithms, data, and computational power. It's about enhancing human capabilities and creating new possibilities. So, as we traverse the terrain of AI, let's keep an open mind, question assumptions, and remember, not everything you hear about AI is true. Up next, we'll debunk some common myths about AI that often create unnecessary fear and confusion. So stick around because we're just getting started. Voiceover. As we embark on our journey into the world of AI, it's essential to separate fact from fiction. There's a lot of hype and misinformation out there, and some of it can be downright scary. But don't worry, we're here to debunk some of the most common myths about AI. Myth number 1. AI will take over the world. Sounds like something out of a Hollywood movie, right? In reality, AI is a tool designed to assist us, not replace or dominate. Ethical AI development and safeguards are in place to ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. Next up, myth number 2. AI can be truly creative. While AI can generate novel outputs based on its training data, genuine creativity involves imagination and emotional intelligence, something AI lacks. We'll show you some examples of AI-generated art and music to illustrate this point. Myth number 3. AI is smarter than humans. AI excels at specific tasks it's trained for, but it lacks the general intelligence and adaptability of the human mind. We humans are still very much in control. Myth number 4. AI will steal all our jobs. Yes, AI will change the job landscape, but it's more about transformation than job loss. We'll discuss how you can adapt and reskill for new AI-enabled roles. And finally, myth number 5. AI is unbiased and objective. AI can actually inherit and amplify biases present in its training data or algorithms. Responsible AI development and monitoring are crucial to prevent this. So there you have it, folks. 5 common AI myths debunked. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, remember to approach it with a balanced and informed perspective. And now, let's dive into the skills you'll need to master for a career powered by AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI-related content. A voiceover. Before we delve into a day in the life of an AI rock star, let's take a moment to talk about the future. A future powered by AI. The world is rapidly evolving under the influence of artificial intelligence, and with it, the employment landscape is also changing. Now, more than ever, it's crucial to future-proof your career. But how do you do that in a world dominated by AI technologies? The answer lies in mastering key skills tailored for the AI generation. This isn't just about technical expertise, it's about developing a holistic skill set that merges human qualities with technological proficiency. It's about honing your critical thinking and creativity, embracing ethical consciousness, and fostering global awareness. As AI continues to advance, you need to keep pace. Equip yourself with skills that transcend traditional boundaries and align with the demands of the future workplace. Remember, in the workforce of tomorrow, innovation, collaboration, and adaptability are the cornerstones of success. So are you ready to unleash your future and thrive in an era where AI integration is ubiquitous? Then let's dive into the life of an AI rockstar and kick off the 30-day AI challenge. A voiceover. Now that you've met our AI gurus, let's dive into the fascinating world of AI. Welcome to Behind the Code, a day in the life of an AI rockstar. AI is revolutionizing every field, from healthcare to entertainment, making it an exciting time to be part of this dynamic industry. But what does a day in the life of an AI developer look like? Let's dive in. Picture this. You wake up, your mind buzzing with algorithmic ideas. A cup of coffee or tea in hand, you quickly skim through the latest AI news and updates. You head to your workstation, ready for a day of coding and innovation. Your day kicks off with collaborative team meetings, discussing ongoing projects, challenges, and potential solutions. Then, you plunge into the world of code, building, and training machine learning models. You tackle data pre-processing, feature engineering, and even debugging complex AI systems. Lunchtime is not just about food. It's a chance to network, attend virtual conferences, and share ideas with industry peers. Refreshed, you dive back into your afternoon projects, working on cutting-edge AI technologies like natural language processing or computer vision. As the day ends, you reflect on the challenges and rewards of being an AI developer. You ponder the ethical considerations of AI and motivate others to explore this field. So that's a day in the life of an AI rockstar, filled with coding, innovation, and the thrill of transforming industries. Are you ready to be one? Then let's jump into the 30-day challenge. Voiceover. Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to the second scene of our video, AI Bootcamp Diaries, from clueless to code whiz in 30 days. Our AI gurus, Jay and Ram Naresh Jha, are all set to guide you through this journey. Picture this. You're standing at the base of a mountain named artificial intelligence. It's vast, it's intimidating, but the view from the top promises to be breathtaking. That's where we are right now, at the beginning of a 30-day challenge to climb this mountain, to conquer the code, and to emerge as an AI whiz. Why 30 days, you ask? Well, we believe that immersion is the best way to learn. Diving headfirst into the world of AI and coding can seem daunting, but with the right guidance and a little bit of courage, we assure you, it's possible. We're thrilled to take you along on this journey. It's going to be challenging, rewarding, and downright exhilarating. We can't promise it'll be easy, but we can promise it'll be worth it. So gear up, tech enthusiasts. The challenge begins now. Let's conquer this mountain together. Voiceover. Welcome to Scene 3. Day 1, setting the stage. As we stand at the foot of the AI mountain, it's essential to set clear goals and expectations for this 30-day challenge. Our goal? To arm you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the world of AI with confidence. Your expectation? To commit to the process, to work hard, and to have an unquenchable thirst for learning. We've planned a robust curriculum that covers everything from the basics of AI to more advanced topics. We'll delve into machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and natural language processing, to name a few. We'll also introduce you to essential coding languages and tools like Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Our AI gurus, Jay and Ramnaresh Jha, have curated a list of resources that include textbooks, online courses, and real-world projects to complement the learning process. But remember, this journey is not about memorizing facts and figures. It's about understanding concepts, applying them to real-world scenarios, and learning from your mistakes. And that brings us to the most crucial aspect of this challenge: the mindset. Adopting a growth mindset is vital. You'll encounter roadblocks, you'll stumble, and at times, you might even feel like giving up. But remember, every stumble is a step forward. Every error is a lesson learned. Every challenge overcome is a testament to your growth. So embrace the struggle, for it's through struggle that we grow. When the going gets tough, remember why you started. Remember the breathtaking view that awaits you at the top of the mountain. And remember, perseverance is key. With every line of code you write, you're one step closer to becoming an AI whiz. So let's get started. Day 1 of our 30-day challenge begins now. Voiceover. Welcome to Scene 4. Week 1, Plunging into Programming Essentials. As we embark on the first week of our 30-day challenge, we'll lay a solid foundation by revisiting the basics of programming languages. Python and R, the two titans of data science, will take center stage. We'll explore their syntax, variables, operators, and control structures, equipping you with the tools to write your first lines of code. But learning a programming language is not just about memorizing syntax. It's about understanding data structures and algorithms and developing problem-solving skills. And that's exactly what we'll do this week. We'll dive deep into the world of arrays, lists, dictionaries, and tuples. We'll demystify algorithms, from the humble bubble sort to the mighty binary search. And we'll flex our problem-solving muscles with a series of coding exercises and projects. These hands-on tasks are designed to reinforce your learning and give you a taste of real-world programming challenges. We'll wrap up each day with a reflection session, where we'll share our learning experiences, discuss our struggles, and celebrate our victories. Remember, every line of code you write, every bug you squash, every problem you solve, brings you one step closer to mastering the art of programming. So, brace yourselves, because the real journey begins now. Get ready to code, learn, and grow. Week 1 of our 30-day challenge begins now. Voiceover. Welcome to Scene 5, Week 2, Unraveling Data Science Mysteries. As we step into our second week of the 30-day challenge, we're about to delve into the fascinating world of data science. Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles that aim to discover hidden patterns from raw data. This week, we'll start by discussing data pre-processing techniques such as data cleaning, transformation, and scaling. This is a crucial step, as the quality of data and its understanding directly impacts our ability to develop accurate models. Next, we'll explore the art of data visualization, a powerful tool that allows us to understand complex data sets and draw meaningful insights. We'll learn how to create compelling visual narratives using graphs, charts, and other visual aids. You'll get hands-on experience with popular data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Then we'll dive into the world of statistical analysis. From measures of central tendency to hypothesis testing, we'll learn how to use statistics to make sense of our data. We'll also introduce machine learning algorithms, the beating heart of data science. We'll demystify concepts like regression, classification, clustering, and reinforcement learning. Throughout this week, we'll work on real-world projects that allow you to apply these concepts. Remember, data science is not just about crunching numbers. It's about asking the right questions, making sense of the data, and telling compelling stories with it. So get ready to unravel the mysteries of data science. Week 2 of our 30-day challenge begins now. Voiceover. Welcome to Scene 6, Week 3, Unleashing the Power of Machine Learning. We've unraveled the mysteries of data science, and now it's time to delve deeper into the world of machine learning. This week, we'll be focusing on two main types of learning techniques: supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning, where our model learns from labeled data, and unsupervised learning, where our model discovers patterns in unlabeled data. We'll explore these techniques in depth, discussing the theory behind them and their practical applications. We'll also showcase how these learning techniques power real-world machine learning models. From predicting customer behavior to detecting fraud, we'll see how machine learning is revolutionizing industries. We'll also share insights from our experiences building and deploying machine learning projects. We'll discuss the challenges, the triumphs, and the lessons learned. We'll delve into how to fine-tune your models, how to handle overfitting and underfitting, and how to evaluate the performance of your models. We'll also explore the ethical considerations of machine learning, a crucial but often overlooked aspect. By the end of this week, you'll have a solid understanding of the power of machine learning, not just as a theoretical concept, but as a practical tool that can solve real-world problems. So buckle up as we continue our journey into the heart of AI. Week 3 of our 30-day challenge begins now. Voiceover. Welcome to Scene 7. Week 4, the final stretch and the Capstone project. As we embark on the last leg of our journey, it's time to reflect on the past weeks, the knowledge we've gained, the skills we've honed, and the transformation from AI newbie to budding AI pro. This week, we'll be focusing on our Capstone project, an opportunity to apply all that we've learned into one comprehensive piece of work. We'll walk you through the development process, from ideation to implementation, highlighting how the theories and techniques we've learned come to life. This project is your chance to showcase your understanding of AI, data science, and machine learning, and to demonstrate your problem-solving skills. Whether it's predicting stock market trends, diagnosing diseases, or developing a recommendation system, the possibilities are endless. We'll also discuss how to present your project effectively, highlighting the results and the insights gained. As we wrap up our 30-day challenge, we'll celebrate the transformation we've undergone, from AI newbies to AI enthusiasts with a solid understanding of the subject. We'll also discuss the next steps in your AI journey, from further learning opportunities to career paths. So let's dive into the final week of our challenge, a week of reflection, application, and celebration. Week 4 begins now. A voiceover. Welcome to Scene 8, embracing the AI adventure ahead. As we wrap up this 30-day challenge, let's take a moment to appreciate our journey. We've delved into the depths of AI, explored the intricacies of data science, and unlocked the potential of machine learning. We've transformed from novices to knowledgeable enthusiasts, ready to embark on our own AI adventures. Our Capstone project was the final piece of our learning puzzle, a testament to our understanding and application of AI principles. We've seen how AI can be used to predict, diagnose, and even recommend, demonstrating its vast potential and versatility. As we close this chapter, we encourage you to continue your learning journey. The world of AI is vast and ever-evolving, and there's always something new to discover. Dive deeper into the topics that interest you, explore new ones, and never stop asking questions. We're grateful to have been part of your AI journey and would love to hear about your experiences. Share your thoughts, questions, and capstone projects in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation and build a community of AI enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this 30-day challenge, and remember, the AI adventure is just beginning. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Now go forth and conquer the AI world. Voiceover. Welcome to Scene 15, Harnessing the Future of AI. We're standing at the precipice of a new era, an era driven by artificial intelligence. As we conclude this AI adventure, remember it's only the beginning of a journey that promises a future brimming with endless possibilities. The world is rapidly evolving, and it's the power of AI that is leading the charge. To all you aspiring AI enthusiasts and professionals out there, we encourage you to stay curious, stay committed, and let your passion for learning never fade. Together, we can unlock the unfathomable potential of AI and shape a future that's smarter, more efficient, and full of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Embrace the future today. This is your calling, your adventure, and your chance to make a difference. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.